Select a layer in Affinity Photo, go to Filters and Distort and Equations. Go to the X field and enter 10 times C times Rx, which is the relative X, so you can reposition it, times oscsin, bracket A times Ry, relative Y, divided by 1000 bracket. The Y field, enter much the same. Instead of Rx, put Ry. Also change the A to B and then the Ry to X. You can then change the parameters. These are the A and B and C. You can see that will change there. These are here. You can also change extend mode. Go to mirror and you get this lovely projection effect, which you can continue to move around and reposition. You can also change the parameters to stretch out, as well as to zoom in and zoom out. You don't have to keep it 10, you could keep that as 20 or 30. Click apply. You can also apply it again, go to filters and repeat. You can also go to the gradient tool or text tools, etc. and create a gradient. Select a gradient and swatches, go to filters and repeat equations or enter the equation again and create a different design.